What's up guys, it's your boy Jiggy, and today I'll be talking about some tips and tricks to running long distances. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the post notifications link so you could be updated every time I post. I've been posting my 10K project videos and I'm gonna be posting more vlogs and stuff, but today I wanted to talk to you guys about some tips that I've used to be able to run long distances because I think it would be helpful for you guys, so let's get to it. First tip that I'm gonna get into is just going outside and plainly just running. This is important because you need to see where you're at. You need to see if your body can take doing that many miles. If you're a beginner, just like I was a beginner a couple months ago, like my body wasn't used to running. So once I started, like my body can only take so much. And so you need to first go out and see how much you can run or see how much your body could take to gauge how many miles you should do in that week or so. So yeah, I think that's really important. Second tip is making sure you run your easy days easy. And this is important just for the simple fact that it's where you get faster. By running your easy days easy, you get to build on top of your aerobic endurance, which essentially helps you become faster. If you build on your aerobic endurance, it helps you regulate your heart rate to certain speeds, which internally make you become faster. Third tip is to implement long run sessions into your workouts. Long run workouts are important because it's like a kind of easy, kind of hard workout, but for a longer period. And this workout is essentially where your body gets used to running longer miles at a kind of quick pace. So this is very essential. Making sure you implement long run workouts into your workout plan, you would definitely see progression in the amount of distance you could cover in like weeks or even months. The fourth tip for running longer distances is just being consistent. Consistency is key because there's no way you're gonna be able to run 100-mile weeks or 60-mile weeks if you're not stacking up weeks on top of that to get to 60 or 100 miles. That's why being consistent with your workout plan is key, because that's where you truly build mileage, stacking on days and months on months, so you could gradually get to 60-mile weeks, 80-mile weeks, and when you get there, you're not injured or fatigued and your body's able to handle it. The fifth and final tip is just going at your own pace. I say that, yes, I mean your running pace. Also, I mean the journey. Some people could just wake up out of bed and run 40, 60-mile weeks with no sweat. And for other people, it may take some time for them to get to running 60, 80-mile weeks. And that's totally okay. Everybody has their own journey through running, like everybody has their own journey through life. Just because one person could do 60, 80, 100-mile weeks doesn't mean you can't. Your pace and journey might take a little bit longer, but if you stay consistent and you work at it, over time you'll be able to get there. And for me personally, I'm not a runner. I've never been a runner. I used to hate running growing up. My best friend, his name is Jalen. He was born to run. Like, he's played soccer. Like, his running background is insane. Like, he's one of those people, like, he could just wake up in the middle of nowhere and just run 7 miles at like a 7-minute pace just because that's just him. And for me, it's like, you have to realize that some people are gifted with that ability and some people have to work for that ability, and that's all okay. That's all cool, because that's just life. Some people are gifted or have certain cards dealt to them than others, but it's the way you navigate to get to where you want to be is the beauty of the journey. It's the beauty of running. That's why loving the journey and embracing your pace in running is beautiful, because you can dictate how fast you go in your journey depending on how consistent you are day in and day out to wanting to get to the goal you want to meet. And for me, one of my goals in running is to be able to run a sub 2:30 marathon and to be able to run majority of all the major marathons in the world. That's one of my main goals with this running thing. So yeah, it may take me a little bit longer than other people, because right now my Corals watch is saying I'm gonna run a 4:17 marathon, but I'm willing to put in the work and consistency to get there. So fifth and final tip, make sure you enjoy your pace and go at your pace, because essentially it's yours. So embrace it. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you for tuning into this YouTube video. If you want more videos like this, please comment down below in the comment section. And yeah, that's basically it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and thank you. And love you guys. Y'all have a nice day, and Jiggy's out. Bye.